How to fix Snapchat no connection. First thing guys, you have to go to the settings on your phone, go to the wireless and networks, click on Wi-Fi, disable it, and then go back to the settings, open the apps manager. When you open the apps manager on this page, you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. Scroll until you find Snapchat, click on it like this, click on this force stop right here, click on the internal storage, click on clear data, and then go back to the settings on your phone, click on wireless and networks, and then enable the Wi-Fi. And the last thing you want to do is make sure to update your Snapchat into the latest version in the Play Store or the App Store. Don't forget to like, subscribe.